Hi everyone, thank you so much for stopping by my channel and hanging out with me for another video. So I've just been editing this video and I realized I didn't really film any kind of introduction or any explanation of what this video was about. So I thought I would just jump on really quickly and just let you know what I've been doing. So over the last 2 weeks, I kind of identified some pain points in my home, which is some things which were kind of getting out of control or which weren't stored, decluttered or organized properly. And they are the things that I'm going to be sharing with you in this video. So just a few areas in my life that I thought that I could just go through and declutter, organize and store a little bit better than they have been. So I went through and I did a massive declutter. I purged a lot of stuff. I put some stuff into more long-term storage that I wasn't using on a really regular basis. Anything that was duplicates or anything that was like a specialty cleaning item, I got rid of into our storage unit that we've got off-site, which I can still easily access, but it's just not taking up valuable storage space within my home, like right here. The other things that I did was I switched out all of my seasonal clothes just to give a little bit of extra room for clothes that I'm actually wearing now in my drawers and in my closet space. Reorganized the storage boxes that are under my bed in my gas lift storage bed. I actually also moved into a bigger size storage unit because if you have been following my channel, you might know that I'm thinking of moving, but I've just had a little bit of trouble finding anything that is just quite right and what I'm looking for. So in the meantime, I've decided to upgrade my storage unit to a slightly bigger size and one that's on the ground level of the storage facility, just to make access a lot easier, to be able to take some pressure off the storage in my home, which, as you know, is very, very small. There is very limited, minimal storage here, and just to pack up some stuff that isn't being used and move it off site so that I've got a little bit more room to play with here. The other things that I also went through and I decluttered was all of my home office supplies. So you'll see later on in the video, I'll explain to you why I had to declutter and reorganize all of my home office supplies. So one of the key things that I really looked at doing was putting some more time into the kind of planning stage and really looking at what was working, what wasn't, really identifying those pain points and what was causing me pain from a storage, organization, decluttering point of view, and then really putting some thought into how to address that. I'm going to share with you throughout this video the process that I went through to declutter some of those major pain points in my life. And I did this over the last probably 2 weeks, and I can 100% say it is so much better just to have a little bit less stuff and for it all to be really well organized and stored so that I can use it easily and effectively when I actually need to find it and use it. I hope you enjoyed this video. I will be chatting to you throughout, so enjoy, guys. Oh my goodness, I literally cannot believe how many flipping cleaning products I've got. This is absolutely ridiculous, out of control. This is not even including what is underneath my sink for like daily cleaning stuff. But I'm really, really confident that I know that this is stuff that I super definitely will use. Actually, I'm gonna just switch these up. So besides these, this is in fact the stuff that I actually use. And I'm gonna bring out actually everything from under there as well, because this is just ridiculous. Somebody's got a germaphobe hoarding problem. This freaking germaphobe OCD cleaning nut job has got a bit of a cleaning supply problem. Not good enough. What I did with the cleaning supplies, you might remember that I used to have a Lazy Susan up there with some laundry supplies. The only problem is it gets super dusty from the dryer, so I pulled those out and just put the 2 detergent canisters that I do actually use up there. And then I have my soaking and my laundry pods there. Method backups just there. I'm actually using the glass cleaner at the moment. This is where I have my dirty kitchen cloths at the moment. And then I've got the cleaning supplies that I use on kind of a weekly basis in here. And then under the laundry sink, I just have one cleaning caddy with everything that I need to clean my entire house. So it's kind of one of everything. So in there is a bathroom cleaner, there's a cream cleanser, floor cleaner, the mold spray, all of the brushes and things that I need, some furniture polish, squeegee, and scrubs and brushes. So that's literally everything that I need to use when I want to do a really full detailed house clean. In addition to that, obviously I've also got the stuff that's under the kitchen sink that I use more on a daily basis in the kitchen. That hasn't changed. But this is now just the stuff that I would use on a regular basis, but it's not like duplicates and backups and really specialty cleaning products. So I've put those out into storage. So that's things like carpet cleaners and upholstery cleaners and car cleaning supplies and things like that. Stuff that I only very occasionally use. So now it is just filled with the things that are getting used, you know, more or less on a weekly basis. So I have just stopped by and picked up the shelving units for the storage, for holding all my extra stuff, just to get it out of my apartment so we have a little bit more breathing room, because there's stuff that I really don't want to get rid of. But I just don't want to have it stored in the apartment. So I've had storage shelves from these guys before. They are super cheap. I found them on eBay. I bought some a couple of years ago and they're really good quality and they're really easy to put together. So I am going to stop by Officeworks now because I need a new labeler because my label died. I've got to get out of the way because the guy wants to get out of his driveway. Let's just stop up here because I do not like talking and driving at the same time. Well, not with a camera anyway. It's very dangerous. So being safe. So shelves are picked up. Officeworks to get a new labeler because my labeling machine broke. And then I want to look at a couple of options for storage boxes. Also, I want to grab some of those vacuum seal space bags to put off-season clothes in, and then to store those within the suitcases that are also at the storage. So a couple of things I need to do. So it's 8:41 now, so we need to get cracking. Officeworks is done. I got the label maker, I got some storage containers, and then I just got a few like productivity organizers just to get back on track with staying productive week to week. Let's go. I decluttered all of my cleaning products throughout the entire house, packed a whole bunch of duplicates up, put them in storage just so that I had just a more curated collection here and available in house. Today I'm going through under my storage bed and doing some switch out of clothes between the season and just packing up everything that is definitely winter clothes. So this is all kind of like super cold weather stuff for traveling, which we aren't likely to be doing anytime soon, unfortunately. Just switching out the seasonal clothes, so all my chunky knits and things like that, which I definitely won't use through summer here in Brisbane, Australia. So switching out and just trying to pull out some of the extra stuff that I'm just not using really. And there's a lot of stuff that I do want to declutter, and I'll probably do a big charity collection drop off. So yeah, that is the next pain point, which is all of my drawers and closet space, which is just getting so full that it's just hard to open and close and get things easily in and out of. So it's just turning into a horrible experience to put clothes away or to pick clothes out to wear. So just definitely doing something about that today. I grabbed a box of these space bag vacuum storage bags. I have had mixed experiences with these before. I've found some are exceptionally great and they seal and they stay sealed perfectly, but then the cheaper ones I haven't had great experiences with either. So I picked these ones up from Spotlight and they seem to be really quite good quality. So I'm going to give it a try and see how we go. And if they're any good, I'll definitely leave all the details in below, because they weren't super expensive. They were kind of like middle of the range, and I think they were on sale as well, so that was a little bit of even more savings.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come.
Oh goodness, so that has pretty much halved the storage for those things in this one here. Now there's 2 vacuum bags full of stuff, and it's emptied 2 plus stuff from the boys' room, and then I've got another one emptied from taking out some storage containers. That one has Christmas and Halloween decorations in it. I think 2 have got like spare sheets. That one has all of the kids' Nerf gun collection. That one has a spare bedspread and some decorative cushions, and this one just has some spare like bed pillows. So earlier today when I was in TK Maxx actually shopping for Christmas decorations for an upcoming exciting video that I can't wait to finish and share with you guys, I came across this storage organization item, and I thought it would just be absolutely perfect to be able to store and organize all of my home office supplies, because I no longer have a home office. So this is my no office home office. All right, so I'm first of all just going to go throughout the house, get all of the home office supplies from all the different spaces that they're currently stored in, bring them out into the lounge room, the living room, just so I can spread them out, do a bit of a declutter, get rid of what I don't need, and then pack it away and store it neatly into this storage unit, just so that it is neat, organized, and easily accessible, and everything is in the one place. That is the one thing that is frustrating me the most, I think, is that everything is just spread out everywhere, and it's just, I spend so long like I was looking for label tape, like the label refills for my label maker, and I must have spent like 10 minutes trying to find them. So this is going to save time, money, and frustration. My current home office situation is that it's kind of spread around the house in all these different places, which is completely frustrating. It's not working and I need to fix it. So I've got like home office stuff in here, in these file holders, which don't fit properly, in this drawer unit behind there. I've got some home office stuff stashed in these containers. So basically, when I packed up my home office from the lounge room and downsized it to a smaller desk, I also got rid of a big shelving unit that held all of my home office supplies. And since that went, I had to rehome all of the home office supplies that was stored in that shelving unit to somewhere else, and it hasn't particularly gone too well. So as you can see, as I've showed you, it's all kind of spread out throughout the house in different places, and I've not really put in the effort to fix it and address it and sort it out properly. So today, that is what I'm going to be doing. Frustrating pain points from a home organization and storage point of view that I've been experiencing in the last probably few months, that I just really want to get sorted and fixed and sorted out once and for all.
Don't answer the phone, spending the days on my own, then repeats this for weeks to come. I don't care what I miss, 'cause my life is dismissed. I keep searching for my bliss. It took days to finally start writing songs, but now it's begun.
Just keeps getting better. I didn't even realize these came with it. Got a whole stack of dividers. Awesome. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. It lets me know that you do like this type of content and to keep on making it. If you aren't already, be sure to subscribe before you go. Hope you enjoy this video, and I will see you as always in the next one.